Hi, what's up guys? How can you create instant form like this? I have created this guys. You can see I have created this. I will show you how can you create like this, and it is very awesome guys. You can see I'm showing 4 page and one that was a greeting message here. People as a click on sign up button on ad. After that they will get this, and here it will be the page name, and this is the headline guys. Just enter for data, and that was here is I have put it list, and you can also put a paragraph if you want. I put a list because I want to show directly what is my services, and what is the feature of my services, and what can you expect from services. I have put it here, and after that I take information of customer here, and I have collect three information. First, name, phone number and email. After that, when customer click on next, and they will go there and see the privacy policy, and then submit it. And after that they come here and thank you page, and we can here lots of things put, such like calls, business, websites and extra. So let's start. How can you make form? Before going proceed guys, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. You will get very interesting video regarding Facebook ads. If you are local business, I will show you different things and how can you advertise on Facebook at lowest cost. So please subscribe now. Don't forget to click on the notification button. Okay, let's start. I put their name दोस्तों, demo. Okay, and I want to more and more leads, and I want to make user friendly form that can customer feel easily. And yeah, you can upload a special image for your form. I will not upload. I will state demo. Here you can put your what's your headline, which purpose or why you're collecting, if you are related to real estate business, and what's your property name you can list here. Yeah, if you are related to finance and you are providing personal loan, then you can put their personal loan services. And you can use two things, one paragraph and listing. I will use listing. And first, how can you create beautiful form like this? We can put 3 and 4 here, and you can also remove, but I will not remove. I will okay. Then we will go to question sections, and here we can add lots of things. uh, if you can add city, city, state, phones, country, date of birth, gender, martial, you can ask this and this. You can ask custom questions by clicking on this sort multiple, and this and this. I will use multiple choice to show you. uh, if my business is related to real estate, I will use preferred size. Guys. Oh, I have preferred. Yeah, first 125 square yard. Okay, and we have put it four options: 125, 145 and SQYD, and last one is 180. Okay, this is I said example to show you guys. And after that you can go there. You can see here, it's on greeting page. People will see it, and people, if we click on it and then select it and proceed next. And I want to put here a message: we collect your info to contact you, no spam. Okay guys, here name listing, and I will want to use their phone number, and this, and I will put at the first phone numbers, and then phone numbers and emails. Complete this guys, and you can proceed next and put their privacy link. If you are not website, just copy from the other website, and who is related to your business, such like mm, if my business is related to real estate and I have no website. I will put the project I am advertising Godrej. So I will put here Godrej https www.godrejproperties.com privacy. Just I have stated it just for example. If you have your links, you can paste it here, and you can also copy the others website links and that related to your business, and never put links like PDF, JPG or images. Okay guys, next leave it, and this is the only, and this is the last thing. You are all set. You can customize this and what you want to write, and I have written. You have got three options here. You have download. So if you put download, you have to provide the resources and link from where the customer can download, and view website. If you view your own website, you can put the link here, and here you can put mm, the word that will show here. Just visit website. I will use call business. If you have done website, view website and just create your messengers link, yeah, WhatsApp link and put it here, and it is done. And click on and type call to actions. Ask your query, and I will put here WhatsApp www.what.me and slash something avd कर देते हैं अभी ऐड कर देते हैं. This is not link guys. If you have on link, just create your, if you don't know how to create WhatsApp link, just search on Google how can I create WhatsApp link, and after creating link and copy that link and paste it here. Okay, and start thumbs. Here you can write we will call you soon. Okay, and here there is got, that's okay guys. You can also add lots of information here if you want, and that is easy. Otherwise just call action कर सकते हैं and put it number your, what's your number. I just put like anything 2 4 6 8 10, yeah, India, because I belong to India. India, yeah. Just see initially here, at first when your customer click on your and sign up button, I get offer, whatever the customer click, they will come here and see this. At first this is the greeting message, can say, and demo instant where, and can choose and what they prefer, what is good for your for your customer. And after that they proceed here and fill their informations, then click next and come to submit page, and here your customer will submit his data. And then if you have any query regarding your business, they directly call you. Yeah, if you have your website, they directly can visit. And if that's okay, this is the whole summary. If you learn something, please share this video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channels. All the best. We will come soon on new video.